Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Zoom account permanently. If you no longer need Zoom or just want to remove your account for any reason, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the Zoom website by typing zoom.com. Make sure you are logged in with the account you want to delete. Once you are logged in, head to the admin section from the left sidebar and click on account management. From there, click on account profile. Now your account profile page will open and you'll find the option that says terminate my account. Click on it and Zoom will ask you to enter your account password to delete your account. Once you enter your Zoom password, click delete and your Zoom account will permanently delete it and you won't be able to recover it. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your Zoom account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.